They will tell you so how to fix this problem. So here you can see it, Oobekeyboard. So here you can see that, and actually here is my so first thing, you just need to open terminal. So just tap on shift at one time, shift and F10. So just press these two buttons at one time. So after you will open the terminal, just write in the terminal net user administrator. After, just write /active. Yes. And just tap on enter. So here you can see the command completed successfully. After, just write net user add user name my password. And just tap on enter. So after, you just need to write here net local group administrators username add, and just tap on enter. And so just write now cd % win dir %. So now we just need to add we need to find this one here, and after just write system 32 and just add OOBE. Sorry, here we just need this one. Sorry, I will just I will need to find one symbol and I can't find it. So let's maybe just copy, like this one. So let's check, yeah. Now we can also successfully write it again. CD percent win deer percent system 32 and OOB. And now you just need to write enter, and now you just need to write M S OOBE dot exe and just tap on enter. So hope you will fix this issue like this. So let's wait until it will load and we will be able to see our result. So if we successfully fix it, just a moment, let's wait.